Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your bank account as a payout method in Airbnb. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and receive payouts to your bank on Airbnb. How do you actually go ahead and add your bank account? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Airbnb. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right-hand corner. Next, click on Account Settings. Then click on Payments. Then click out Payout Methods. So here you need to select Set Up Payouts. And then it's going to ask you to add a payment method. So you can either access FastPay, Bank Account, PayPal, or Payoneer. So click on Bank Account. Then click on Continue. So it's going to ask you which bank account is it. Select which one. Click on Next. And then it's going to ask you for a checking, routing number, and account number. And there you have it. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your bank account as a payment method on the Airbnb app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.